Oh, that's good. Alex. Alex. Now, I just need one shot here of you standing. And a big smile from you, Alex, so. Hit him hard now. Take it out on him. Now get a bit rougher with him. Give him a knock him about a bit.
The law of repetition. The law of repetition.
Give him a good thump. That's what I like. That's brilliant. Thank you very much. That's excellent. You got any bruises there, Alex?